Praise Lord everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a powerful verse from the Bible that has really impacted my life. It's from 1 Corinthians 1:27 and it says, "But God chose the foolish things of the world to shame the wise. God chose the weak things of the world to shame the strong." Now, this verse may seem a bit confusing at first, but let me break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand. You see, the Lord is not looking for your strength, bravery, or natural gifts. He wants your reliance on Him. He wants you to understand that His power is made perfect in our weakness. Think about it like this. Sometimes we tend to rely on our own abilities and strength to get through life. We think that we have it all figured out and that we don't need anyone else to help. But here's the things. God can do amazing things through us when we humble ourselves and admit that we cannot do it all our own. In fact, God often chooses those who may seem foolish or weak in the eyes of the world to accomplish great things. We does this to show His power and to bring glory to His name. It's a reminder that it's not about us and our abilities, but about God walking through us. So if you are feeling inadequate or weak in any area of your life, take heart. God can use your weaknesses and turn them into strength. He can take your foolishness and use it to shame the wise. All you need to do is surrender yourself to Him and trust in His plan. Remember, it's not about how strong you are or talented you are. It's about your willingness to rely on God and allow Him to walk through you. So let go of your pride and embrace your weaknesses, because that's where God's power truly shine. Man, I hope this verse has encouraged you today. If it did, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. And always, as you support, if you have any prayer, you can comment, leave your comment below. Amen. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.